So guys, even though I'm using Windows 11, this will also work for Windows 10. So for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. On Windows 10, it's going to be saying additional troubleshooters. You're going to click on that. Now you're going to find Windows Update. You're going to click on Run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows, run the Windows update again, and it should now be working for you.